How to get a backup code for the two-step verification on your Roblox. Hey guys, let's get started. You can access the Roblox settings either by the browser or by your Roblox account application. For this, you'll have to log in using your credentials, and after that, you have to go to My Securities or Security and Settings option. Once you tap on Settings option, you must see Security. Tap on it and it will load another set of options. From the set of options, you will have to enable the hardware security keys. This option is available under the two-step verification. You will have to toggle it on, which will ask you to give the Roblox password and tap Verify. After that, we recommend you to download our Authenticator app from the App Store or Play Store. Open the app and scan the QR code, which will be displayed on your Roblox if you have verified your password. Once that is done, the backup codes will be provided to you, and this can be used to recover the account if you cannot access the Authenticator app. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.